If you're looking to build strong, powerful legs, our chosen best leg exercises will help you make real progress and see results in both strength and shape. These exercises don't just target your muscles, they also improve balance, mobility, and control, making every movement in your training more effective. Whether you're working out at home, in the gym, or even outdoors, including these exercises in your routine will take your leg strength to the next level. We'll start with squats, the cornerstone of any leg workout. Squats work your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, while also engaging your core and lower back to keep you stable. Beginners can start with body weight squats to focus on proper depth, posture, and alignment. Once you feel comfortable, adding resistance with dumbbells or a barbell increases intensity. Front squats shift the load to the quads, sumo squats hit your inner thighs, and jump squats bring in an explosive, plyometric element that develops power and fast twitch muscles. Practicing these variations ensures balanced development and helps prevent weak spots in your legs. Next, leg presses are an excellent way to build leg strength safely. Your quads, glutes, and hamstrings do the majority of the work, while the machine supports your back. You can adjust foot placement to target different areas, higher on the platform for glutes and hamstrings, lower for quads. Single leg presses are perfect for fixing strength imbalances and improving stability. Keeping a controlled tempo is essential to maximize muscle engagement and reduce the risk of injury. Leg presses are ideal for gradually increasing load and building both strength and size. Walking lunges are another standout exercise for leg development. They target quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves, while also improving balance, coordination, and functional strength. You can vary lunges with reverse lunges, side lunges, or by holding dumbbells to make them more challenging. Moving slowly and deliberately helps you maintain control and fully engage the muscles. Lunges are particularly effective for unilateral strength, helping each leg develop evenly and correcting asymmetries that can lead to injuries. Leg extensions and leg curls are great isolation exercises to complement your compound lifts. Leg extensions focus on the quads, allowing for precise muscle activation and improving definition. Single leg extensions are especially useful for fixing strength imbalances. Leg curls, whether lying or seated, strengthen the hamstrings, supporting knee health and preventing injuries. Resistance bands can also be used at home to mimic these movements. Including isolation exercises ensures every part of your legs develops fully, creating both strength and aesthetic balance. Bulgarian split squats are one of the best exercises for single leg power and stability. With one foot elevated behind you, the working leg must support the entire load. This challenges balance, engages stabilizing muscles, and strengthens quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Adding dumbbells, or adjusting the height of the rear foot, increases difficulty and mobility demands. Shrimp squats take single leg training even further, requiring balance, flexibility, and core engagement, while intensely working the quadriceps and glutes. Beginners can use support, like a wall or rail, gradually reducing assistance as strength and stability improve. Deadlifts and hip hinge variations complement leg training by targeting hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. Romanian deadlifts emphasize the hamstrings and glutes, while improving hip mobility. Single-leg Romanian deadlifts also challenge balance, control, and unilateral strength. These movements enhance posterior chain strength, which is crucial for sprinting, jumping, and overall athletic performance. Calf exercises shouldn't be overlooked. Standing and seated calf raises build ankle stability, calf strength, and improve overall leg proportion. Performing them slowly, and holding the contraction at the top, maximizes engagement. Mixing body weight, weighted, and single leg variations ensures well-rounded calf development. Finally, explosive movements, like jump squats, burpees, and box jumps, add power and conditioning to your leg workouts. These exercises train fast twitch muscle fibers, improve coordination, and elevate cardiovascular fitness. Controlled execution is key. Focus on landing softly, keeping your knees aligned, and maintaining tension throughout your body. Incorporating all of these exercises into your routine creates a balanced, effective leg workout. Start with compound movements, like squats and leg presses for overall strength. Move to unilateral exercises, like lunges and split squats for balance, and finish with isolation exercises and explosive movements for full development. Consistency, proper form, and progressive overload are the keys to strong, muscular, and resilient legs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more leg building guides, and keep pushing your limits using these best leg exercises.